Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 20 divided 1 by 4 times 4. So let's start with today's video solution. So in this expression, we have given division, then again 1 by 4, its division and then multiplication. Many people even read it wrong and they think 20 divided 1 by 4 and write 20 by 4 and they cancel out this by 5 and 5 times 4 is 20, which is the incorrect solution. You have to take correct approach. So this type of question always take two terms at a time. So I will take this part only 20 divided 1 by 4. So 20 in place of division we can write multiplication, and when you reverse such change the sign, you have to always reciprocal the right hand side. So right hand side is 1 by 4 and reciprocal is 4 by 1. So 20 times 4 by 1 is 80. Now what is left? Times 4. 80 times 4 is 320. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So from this type of question, to get wrong answer, you can save it by yourself by taking this approach. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.